how to change recovery email on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change recovery email on your Gmail. After logging into your Gmail account, the next step would be for you to move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your Google icon or your profile icon, sorry. By clicking on your profile icon, click on manage your Google account. That is the Google account whose recovery email you would like to change. And once you're on the home page, the next step would be for you to scroll to the security tab and then select it. Then once you're on the securities page, the next step would be for you to locate recovery email and tap on it. So once you can see recovery email, click on that. And after clicking on recovery email, you'll be asked to verify your identity either through passkey, through biometrics, or through your password. Whichever requirements that was displayed to you, ensure you fulfill it. And then once you've done that, you can now see your recovery email. So the next step would be for you to remove the old recovery email that you have here and then type in the new one. And then once you type in the new one, click on the verify button by the right side of the screen. And a verification code will be sent to the new email. The next step would be for you to locate the verification code. All right. And once you found the verification code, type it out and then click on verify, and then your account will be verified. So that is it. It's as simple as that. This is how you can change your recovery email on your account. Thank you for watching and have a good day.